When you first open up Illustrator, it's going to look something like this right here. You're going to have your tools over here on the left and some palettes over here on the right. You don't really know the palettes very well, so I'd actually like you to just hover over the edge of the palettes and then hold your mouse click down and then just drag it out so that you can see the names of what you're working with. It's just very difficult if you haven't worked with it a lot to be able to know what things are simply by the icons, so it's best to just grab it and pull the names out. There's also a palette that I'd like you guys to have. That palette is located here under Window, and then what I'd like you to do is go down to Align. When you pull that out, you're going to get a group of tools here, sort of Transform, Align, and Pathfinder. They all come together and they're stacked in one palette. And then I'd like you to bring it over into your palette. So what you need to do is you need to grab the gray bar at the top, and then you're going to hover it over top inside of this right here. Now I'd like you to place it between, or sort of underneath, the color palette and the color guide palette. If I let it go right now, it's actually going to go inside the swatches, brushes, and symbols. So I want you to just drag it up until you see only one blue line appear. Once you have one blue line, then you can simply let it go, and then you're going to see that you now have that palette here. If I click on any of these, so if I go to Align, I get a pop-up menu, and then I can scroll between Pathfinder, Align, and Transform. What I'd also like you guys to have on here, just so that right now it doesn't show, it should be down here at the bottom, is an Options, and you're going to need that. So over here on this little drop-down menu, just click on it and then just click on Show Options, and then you have kind of things that you need. To simply put this back, you click on the double arrows, it'll go back in. If you click on any of them again, you're going to get your flyout window just like that. The other thing too is if you kind of really mess up and you accidentally hit some sort of key and you kind of lose a lot of the things that you're doing, you can simply go to Window and choose Workspace, and then hover over here and go to Essentials, and that's going to reset everything right to the very beginning again, and then it'll bring back all your tools where they need to be, and then your palettes. The only thing is you will have to add that Align palette again, and again, just in this video we've just showed you the steps for that. So that's just in case you lose kind of everything.